Hi guys, welcome back, and today in this video we're gonna do something extraordinary just for fun. So over here you can see the chart of WLFI coin. So the price, you can see it dropped a lot from $1, and right now the price is 0.1803. So the very first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take screenshot of this. Okay, so I already have taken the screenshot. Then I will upload it over here on the ChatGPT. You can see. So the prompt I used over here: should I long or short sell? Short, tell SL and TP as well. So it did some analysis over here. So basically, it gave us two results over here. If you want to long around, the price is given 0.180 and 0.182, and the TP will be, and the SL will be 0.171, and the TP1 will be 0.190, and TP2 will be 0.195 to 0.2. Okay, so this is for the long. And if you want to take a short call, the entry should be around 0.190, 0.192, and the SL will be at 0.20, and the take profit 0.180 and 0.172. Okay, so we have noted down all the entry points and exit points and the stop loss as well. So now on the chart we're gonna draw all these lines. So according to ChatGPT, I have marked the lines over here. You can see two colors over here. One is orange and the other one is pink. Orange is for long and pink one is for short. And these are the two boxes you can see over here. The one is this one. Let me show you really quick. This orange box, this is basically the entry point for the long calls. And over here on the top you can see pink box. So basically this is the entry point for short calls. And in the meanwhile, I asked one more question to ChatGPT, and the question was do one side analysis. And on asking this question, ChatGPT suggested me for the long call. So the long setup, you can see the setup is already over there. So right now the price of WLFI is in the buying zone, and the targets will be over here. You can see the first line over here, this one, and the second line is on the top. So let's see how it plays out, and I will show you the results in next video.